Hello guys, this is Sukudha Kotak this side from the EduCARE. Welcome back to our channel for daily current affair videos. आज डिस्कस करेंगे current affairs of 21st September 2022. Before starting with the current affairs, Be EduCare is conducting weekly current affair quiz contest where one winner will get an Amazon voucher worth rupees 100 every week. So we have a winner for September 3rd week. The winner is Ruju Shah. Congratulations, Ruju, for winning an Amazon voucher worth rupees 100. Even you all can win an voucher. All you have to do is comment regularly the correct answers of the questions asked in the quiz, and you will get an opportunity to win the voucher. Starting with the current affairs for the day, India and Egypt have agreed to identify the proposals for expanding cooperation between the defense industries of the two nations in a time-bound manner. Defense Minister of India, Rajnath Singh, held bilateral talks with his Egyptian counterpart, General Mohammed Zaki, in Cairo. The two ministers also exchanged views on regional security and acknowledged the contribution of India and Egypt to bringing peace and stability to the world. A memorandum of understanding has been signed on cooperation in the field of defense to pave away the enhancing defense cooperation was also signed. Russian President Putin announces partial military mobilization. The President of Russia, Vladimir Putin, announced a partial military mobilization in Russia as the war in Ukraine reaches nearly 7 months and Moscow seems to be losing its ground on the battlefield. As per the officials, the number of reservists to be called up is 3 lakh. Putin's televised address to the nation came after a day when the Russian-controlled regions in the eastern and the southern Ukraine announced their plans to hold votes on becoming integral parts of Russia. His remarks also came up against a backdrop of the UN General Assembly at which Russia was warned about its plans. ICC confirms the venues for the finals of the World Test Championship editions of 23-25. The International Cricket Council confirmed that the two venues will be in London will succeed the Southampton, which will be hosted in the inaugural final between New Zealand and India in 2021. The Oval and London has previously hosted the finals of the 2004 and 17 editions of the ICC Men's Championship Trophy. Gujarati film Chhello Show is India's official entry for the Oscars 2023. It is titled as Last Film Show in English, and the movie is directed by Pan Nalin. The story is inspired by Nalin's own memories of falling in love with the movie as a child in a rural Gujarat. Starting with the current affair quiz, the first question for the day is, which state has launched a web portal named CM Ka High C? Inform to CM. The second question for the day is, which Indian city is to host Global FinTech Conference in the year 2022? The third question is, Astana is the new capital of which country? Please mention your answers in the comment box below. The person who is giving the correct answer will be given a shout out in the next upcoming video. The answers to the questions asked in the previous video are as follows. Indian Army has decided to shift the Army Day Parade of 23 to which area? The correct answer is Southern Command. Which state has approved the proposal of increasing the DA by 3% for the state government employees? The correct answer is Odisha. Which Indian state has announced to set up state-level institutions on the line of Niti Aayog? The correct answer is Maharashtra. That's it, guys. Don't forget to follow our channel, Be EduCare Official on Instagram. Also, please subscribe to our channel on YouTube and share this video. For classroom, recorded lecture, books and ebooks facilities, please contact on the number which you can see on your screens.